Here a silhouette emerges on the horizon, raw present sculpted in chrome and shadow, feel its power. Warm greetings riders, may your passion ignite in every twist of the throttle and every beat of your heart. Meet the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy, a timeless icon revamped for modern conquest. Bold premium tame meets Lakester machined wheels and iconic cutback fenders radiating authority. Sink into a seat that grips you firm yet comfortable, highway miles away from compromise. Under your command, the new Milwaukee-Eight 117 custom V-twin awakens with visceral glory. With 104 horsepower and 126 foot-pounds of torque, raw power speaks at every pull of the throttle. Inverted dual bending valve forks and hidden monoshock suspension deliver razor-sharp control. Lean angles around 25 degrees, car corners confidently, while keeping you in command. Perform on Michelin Scorcher radials as dual front discs bring you to rest with unwavering precision. Select ride modes like road, rain, or sport to match your mood and the asphalt beneath. Cut through the night with LED headlamp and bullet turn signals projecting both style and safety. Rider safety enhancements including cornering, ABS traction, and slip control to keep every ride sure. A 5-gallon tank lets you explore nearly 200 miles before your next fueling freedom call. Starting around $22,600, its legend demands attention and respect. If your soul seeks the horizon, make the Fat Boy part of your story, your ride, your legacy. Subscribe and ride with us. Your adventures await. The Fat Boy legend begins with you today.